Happy Find a Rainbow Day. Science dictates that we can't ever actually find the bottom of a rainbow because the arch is an optical illusion. My kindergarten teacher, though, Mrs. Queen, told us that it was a full circle. So I believed for a very long time, and still might, that whenever I was seeing a rainbow, the opposite point of me, latitude-wise, on the opposite hemisphere, would also be experiencing a rainbow. And I don't know if she was wrong or trying to instill magic, but I still really like that idea. Did you know that the idea of finding gold at the bottom of the rainbow didn't even start with leprechauns? It has something to do with Vikings, and you're going to have to tune in to Operation Merriment to find out more. You can also get the tutorial for this awesome rainbow paper garland. How fun! You don't have to find a rainbow, you can just make one. There's 33 ideas waiting for you for how to celebrate Find a Rainbow Day when you log in. Get a free trial at uncustomary.org/Operation Merriment. Operation Merriment also comes free with your Merriment Maker subscription at uncustomary.org/movement. I'll see you next time.